Hello guys, so this is going to be a quick breakdown of how we managed to catch this trade, which is volatility 75. We have very shown volatility 75 since yesterday. Yeah, so this is how we managed to catch this trade. Number one thing we did is to look for our next draw on liquidity on higher time frame, which in this case is this fair value gap, this daily fair value gap here. So once price take this daily fair value gap, our eyes must draw to this external low here, which was acting as our next draw on liquidity. So every time when internal range liquidity is tagged, our eyes should draw to external range liquidity. So once this fair value gap was tagged, our eyes must draw to this external low here. So once our internal range liquidity is tagged, we should draw to lower time frame, which aligns with a daily time frame to frame trades. And then we had to switch to lower time frame, and on lower time frame, number one thing we realized is that price was consolidating here, as you can see, and we even shared this thing here with our Discord team here. As you can see, this was our idea. Price was consolidating, and we expected this thing here to be our manipulation phase. As you can see, like I said, looks beautiful, might be a classic sell day, meaning it might be a reversal day. And as you can see here, this is where we activated by sell program. Sorry, this is where price activated sell program, meaning we have now entered new side of the curve, being sell side of the curve, right? And before we continue, let me show you how we even managed to catch a buy and trade on this volatility 75. As you can see here, this was price drawing back to this fair gap, which I've been talking about for a now we are using it to look for selling opportunities. Before price drew back to that fair value gap, we were bullish. We wanted to see price retracing back into that daily fair value gap. As you can see here, this is V75. Volatility 75, price moving from external to internal. And here was our buy program being activated. And I even shared with our team buy program activated on 1 hour time frame, scouting for launch once this fair value gap is tagged, right? And this is our fair value gap getting tagged, drawing for this thing here. And then as you can see, it was a nice delivery. And once this thing was tagged, this is what I shared with our team. But volatility 75 IRL tagged. Our easiest next drawn liquidity will always be external range. And then I gave them an assignment to look for auto frame trade based on lower time frame, which aligns with our daily idea. And as you can see, this is where I shared my idea. Looks nice, looks beautiful because of this consolidation. So I expected this thing to be a classic sell model. And as you can see, indeed, sell program was activated. This is where I gave an update on this thing here halfway through. Usually I advise traders to reduce their positions and lock 80% of their profits. And that is a V75. As we can see, it is here today. This was an accumulation phase I was talking about. This was accumulation, and we expected this thing here to be what a manipulation phase, and then we had this change in stage of delivery, which was supposed to be our low risk sell, and then we had to scout for more shots on this fair value gap here. This fair value gap which was tagged. So this fair value gap getting tagged, we sold up until this point here, and I still believe that price is going for this external low here. So guys, this is how we managed to catch this thing here. And every time, guys, once our program is activated, like here you can see that our chart is divided into two sides, this being buy side of the curve and this being sell side of the curve. So the reason why we started looking for selling opportunities is because one, price hit a key level, which is a daily fair value gap. And after that key level was hit, we had to look for sell program activation, which is what we had here, being a change in state of delivery. Once we have this change in state of delivery, price retreats back into this change state of delivery order block, went lower, and then again gave us this dealing range, of which left behind a fair value gap, and this fair value gap tagged, then we did short this trade from here. And when you talk about changing state of delivery, we are simply talking about something like this, guys. As you can see, this candle, this green candle, was responsible for buy side page. It is the one that took out buy side liquidity here. And after taking out this buy side liquidity, what happened? We saw price pushing lower. The moment we see a candle closing below this change state of delivery candle, that is when, or the moment you see a candle closing below a candle that paid buy side liquidity, that is when we can say we had change in state of delivery. Like here, this is what happened. The moment this candle closed here, that is when I knew our price activated sell program, and we have entered new side of the curve. And again, price retraces back into our change state of delivery order block, and then we had to enter here. And this is where volatility 75 is at the moment. So this is how we managed to catch this trade. And again, guys, this is our Discord server. As we can see, we have our premium membership, and we have this section being a public section. So if you are interested, you can ask for a link to this Discord server. And this premium section is for students who got access to this locked section. As you can see, we usually share how we manage to catch trades, some videos, breakdowns on how we manage to catch those trades, and even ideas. We share ideas here, as you can see. So this is how we help students to get this concept. So guys, thank you.
Let's talk, my nigga. Okay. When I drop, these niggas gon' envy me. I'm a boss, you niggas can play with me. I've been rapping ever since in primary. And your lyrics are nothing compared to me. You keep writing just to keep on getting chicks. I be writing just to keep on doing it. For the love, I do this with passion. Respect to the niggas who did it before me. I do this shit like I'm that nigga. Bukhoni Bantati, I know I'm fantastic, fantastic. I'm growing like tastic. Don't test me, my movements are drastic. Adjust me with caution. 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 Only you can only understand when I say the mission is simple. Find cell buried underneath 6 feet. I mean the nigga you don't want us to see. The insecure nigga who never sleeps. The goofy nigga, the clumsy nigga. I'm talking about niggas who living for bitches, man, bitches and cloud. He's a rapper, Hanazaga, Baragi, and I'm a Shuban. He's a rapper, Hanazaga, Baragi, and I'm a Shuban. He's a rapper, Hanazaga, Baragi, and I'm a Shuban. He busy with bitches, if you not. He busy with bitches, if you not. Mashuban.